a vehicle for the squirrel.
The wind blew away the number 1 straight into the sea. Help me get out. Throw a lifeline. Wash the number 1. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Keep it up. Tap on the bubbles. Like this. Put the number 1 in its place. Great! The number 2 was caught by a bird and carried to its nest. Let's feed the hungry baby bird with some seeds. Now assemble the ladder so number 2 can come down. Assemble the ladder from the parts. Keep it up. Wash the number 2. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Good job! Tap on the bubbles. Keep it up. Put the number 2 in its place. Now I'm safe. Squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel. Hooray, we've reached our destination! The abyss. Make a cloud road so the number can come. You're doing great. Wash the number 3. First apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Beautiful! Tap on the bubbles. Like this. Put the number 3 in its place. Great! Cool! Wash the number 4. First apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Ready?